Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This video is about the Credentials tab in the Business Content area. This is a video tutorial. The first Credentials area is for all businesses. Here the company indicates that it has the required licensing and legal requirements in place. The advertised name is legally registered, meaning the business is registered with a corporation's branch in their province. The company must select that all credentials are accurate and that the owner handles complaints directly. Years in business is the length of time that the business name is registered. A business owner can indicate their experience level in the About Us area of their basic info. Please note that if the company is not legally registered, they should not indicate they are. Many businesses are chain-related, franchise-related, and some operate as sole proprietorships under the name of the business owner. The second Credentials area is just for contractors. Liability insurance and workers' compensation are mandatory. All the rest is easy to understand. We'll give supplier references to protect consumers from liens. Was brought about after a roofer did not pay the supplier and the supplier was threatening to put liens on houses that the contractor shingled and did not pay the supplier. Please remember that if the business indicates that they have a specific credential, we hold them to it, because if the business owner places a credential they do not have in their profile, that may cause an alert on the business and subsequent removal after 1 year. Thank you for listening to this video.